people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new, you are so welcome. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be doing two things. I'm going to be using tomato and potato, okay, for brown sugar and white sugar. And now let's see the difference. The thing is that I just want to know which one is more mild, which one is more gentle, which one is more harsh, which one is more effective and stuff, okay, and also which one will be more effective for you and for your skin type, because obviously we have so many skin types. Okay, so let's dive into the video. But as I'm going to be showing you, you are going to be like, okay, I'm going to try this and I'm going to try this. Okay, I'm going to be telling you everything in the video. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and thumbs up the video. Please share this video and also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Alright guys, let's dive in. Alright, so we're gonna be using this and this for the face. Okay, now this contains a lightening property and it is very mild for the skin, and it also remove unwanted hair, remove blemishes, while this also contains a whitening property that helps to remove dark patches and pigments. It gets rid of dark spots and uneven skin tone. Alright guys, so we're gonna be using this too for this. This is brown sugar and this is white sugar. So we're gonna be using the potato with the white sugar, and we're gonna be using the tomato with the white sugar, and let's see the difference. Okay, so this video is actually a challenge kind of video. Which one is going to be more mild and which one is going to do the job more? Alright, so for this I'm going to cut it into two. Okay, and we're going to be using this as a scrub, and I'm going to be cutting this so we can blend it. Now we're going to be getting the blender and we're going to blend the little. I'm gonna be taking a little into the bowl. So now I'm going to be putting in the sugar. Okay, so at your preference guys, 1 tablespoon, half tablespoon, anyhow you want to put it. So just put that and let's give it a little mix, and that goes. So I have to keep this aside for later, and we're going to peel the potato. Okay, I'm used to mixing this thing up. So we're gonna be doing the same thing for that, and I'm gonna be keeping this and then cut this into cubes. So that is properly blended, and I'm going to be taking another bowl. Okay, for this I'll be putting the brown sugar. Now note that the brown sugar are smaller in particles than the white sugar. They both help in scrubbing out dead skin cells from the skin. So for this, I'll mix it also. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this and this and this. Alright, so let's go demonstrate this. Okay, so here's the tomato mix and here is the potato mix. Okay, so now what we are gonna see which one is gonna be more effective and mild. Okay, because our skin needs something that is mild, except you want to get rid of spots. Okay, I'm sorry, pimples. So I'm gonna be using the tomato. Okay, and I'm gonna dip it. Okay, I can't show you that because I can't turn this camera right now. I'm gonna dip it into the tomato. Oh my god. Okay, so I just dipped it into the tomato and I'm gonna scrub the face with it. Okay, now why I actually did it that way is so that we can have, you know, something to scrub with, because when you scrub only with this one, there will be no liquid left on the face. So scrub with this. Scrub your lip also. And it's actually sweet, of course. Okay guys, so what this does is that it's actually like very mild, very gentle on the skin. Yeah, okay. Now I forgot, I wouldn't have scrubbed the side. I would have just scrubbed only the side, but that's okay. And I'm gonna be taking the potato. Let me rinse my hand. I'll take the potato and then I'll grab the mix and then I'll scrub this other side. Okay, this one too is still sweet. Oh my god, this is just so mild. The two of them are mild. This will help in moving dark spots. This would help to tone up your skin. Although this also tone up the skin, the potato actually helps to tone up the skin, but they all like do almost the same thing, but it depends on which one you want to use. Okay, so whichever one you can actually lay your hands on, it does the same thing on the skin. It's so like freaking mild on my skin right now. So that's it guys, I love the tomato plus the sugar scrub, okay, because it is actually very mild, and also the potato scrub is also very mild. But I kind of think that the potato scrub would tone up your skin faster than the tomato scrub, and they are all very gentle, unlike lemon. Okay, they are all very gentle. It's something you can actually try. So try the potato scrub and try the tomato scrub. Come back to the comment section and let me know how it is. Okay, all right guys, so if you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share this video and turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. All right guys, I'll see you soon in my next video, and stay flawless. Bye guys.